Okay, so this is the 99.5% supermoon. (10:13 p.m.) and it's the supermoon. It's super bright and it's huge. Looked easier as it was coming over the horizon. It's Wednesday the 6th of May 2020. You can see all the craters, the moon. Max zoom as well. I turned up my exposure to on the camera. It's a lot lower tonight. Starlink 3 goes over, but it should be dim. Doubt I'll be able to get it. But that's the moon. You see lots of stars. It's clear skies again tonight, but tomorrow should cloud up and then get out about 10 o'clock. So Starlink goes over, but I don't know if I'll be able to get it or not. But Starlink 3 goes over tonight at 10:37, so I haven't got too long. But plenty of stars are out tonight. I don't know if my camera can pick any of them up, really. Seemed as far as it will go. I see a satellite, actually. It's not the right one, but it's definitely a satellite now going over. Not quite sure on what that one is, but it's a satellite, and I don't know if I can catch that star. It's quite high up from the moon. No, I think I just found it. The satellite is now going overhead. I'm not going to be able to capture that one, unfortunately. If I'm able to locate where the stars are, though, that would definitely be helpful. Just gotta look in the right spot. But the moon is here. Be full later on tonight. See all the detail on it. I don't know what that was that just passed over the moon. I'll slow that down. Just saw a black line stream across. Really not sure what that was. Strange. clear. Yeah, out and it was very pretty. Should pick it up from there. Tried to get Mercury in the sun earlier, but that did not really work out. I see another satellite just off to the east, inside of the moon, just crossed over a star. Surprising how many I can see out here with all the street lights. Just focus on the moon as the supermoon. It's quite uneven at the bottom, but there it is. I'm not going to try and record the satellites tonight, as I just won't be able to see them on the camera as they're dim. They were visible for 6 minutes. They were visible earlier at 9:01, but I totally forgot. I did get some clips of the moon coming up above the horizon. They are quite hard to see, but did come out alright. Venus is out as well. Pleiades. Orion. Once I get a better camera with filters, then I'll be able to do some more. One last time on the moon. Last supermoon. Pretty sure of 2020. So, get it while you can. Tonight and tonight only, I'm pretty sure. It's really pretty. Let me just check where Starlink is. So, yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Before the video ends, so I'll get Venus as well. Can't see the Pleiades, which is unfortunate. But it's out with a star again. There it is. Venus with its star companion, which really pretty. If I get anything else on camera or anything weird, then I will pick up and record. But yeah, that'll be it, I'm pretty sure. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.